We're going to solve this equation that has some fractions. I have a fraction here and a fraction here, and this is a mixed number, but I'm not concerned because I have a $12 calculator that will do all of the fractions for me. So let's just follow our 4 steps to solve an equation. Distribute, I don't need to distribute anything. Combine like terms, yes. I can put together 2x's minus 9 over 4x's. Those are like terms. So let's get to that calculator. I'm going to punch in 2 right here minus right here. And then to do the fraction 9 over 4, I'm going to use the ABC button. 9 ABC 4. And then hit equals. That's going to give you negative 1 over 4x. Okay, and that equals negative 2 and a fourth x plus 22 over 5. Okay, and you know what? Let me move it. Let me just slide it over here. There we go. All right, next step, we combined our like terms. Now, let's get our variables to the same side. So I have x's here and I have x's here. Let's move them all to the same side, noting that we have all of our constants, all of our numbers on the right. So let's go ahead and let's move this thing right here. I have minus 2 and a fourth x, and to get rid of that, I'm going to do plus 2 and a fourth. That's going to make this cancel out, right? And if I add 2 and a fourth to the right side, I have to add 2 and a fourth x to the left side. All right, let's go ahead and do it. Drop down my equal sign. I have negative 1/4 plus 2 and a fourth. Okay, so grab your calculator, and the negative button now is this one down here, not the minus. It's this one. So I'm going to do negative 1 ABC 4, and that's going to be plus 2 and a fourth. 2 ABC 1 ABC 4. Okay, so for a mixed number, you have to hit the ABC button twice. Let me say that again. It is 2 ABC 1 ABC 4. That's 2 and a fourth. And when you put that in, this is what it's going to look like, 2 and a fourth. Okay, so you hit equals, and you're going to get 2. All right, so negative 1/4 x plus 2 and a fourth x is 2x. All right, on the right hand side, I want to drop down this 22 over 5. And now I'm going to, I got my variables to the same side. I'm going to isolate this grumpy old x. Okay, he wants to be all by himself. He is being multiplied times a 2. And how do I get rid of multiplication? I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Drop down your equal sign. Now 2 over 2 turns into a 1x, which is exactly what we want. And then over here, we have another calculator step. Okay, 22 over 5 divided by 2. So I'm going to do 22 ABC 5 divided by 2 equals. All right, and the calculator is going to give you this, which is 2 and a fifth. So if you want to leave it as a mixed number, you'd write it as 2 and a fifth. We normally do not use mixed numbers, so we're going to turn this mixed number into an improper fraction. We can use the calculator for that. We're going to use this right here where it says ABC to D over E. It turns this mixed number into this improper fraction. Now since it's above the button and it's in light blue, we're going to have to hit this light blue button first. So if you leave this in your calculator, the 2 and 1/5, you are going to, let's see, if you leave that in your calculator, you're going to hit second ABC to D over E equals, and it will give you 11 over 5. Okay, this is the preferred answer for math people, but I guess this one's okay. Since they gave you mixed numbers, you can give them back mixed numbers. One more note, when you go from 2 1/5 and you go from a mixed number to an improper fraction, you had that in there, you click second, ABC. What you're going to see on here is you're going to see this, ANS, and then that's hard to see, A and B over C to D over E. What this means is it's taking your previous answer stored in the calculator, and it's going to go from a mixed number to an improper fraction, okay, back or forth. So that's what that ANS means. All right, and at this point, you might want to go back and watch the video again and see if you can slow it down and follow my steps until you get really good with that calculator.